Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious beef stew. As I call it, caldo de res verde. This beef stew is green and is delicious, perfect for this cold weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Green beef stew, these are my ingredients. Like I said, like I call it, caldo de res verde. Let me show you the ingredients. I have coriander, cilantro, yucca, jalapeños, chayote, tomatillos, carrots, zucchini, celery, corn, 3 garlic cloves, half an onion, salt. And here for the beef, I have beef ribs cut in small little pieces, beef shack round centerpiece, water. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious beef stew made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. I am ready to prepare this amazing beef stew. Look at this. These are the 2 pieces of beef that I'm using. I am using short ribs and I'm using shack centerpiece beef. The water is nice and hot. I am going to start adding my pieces in here. Look at this. This soup is so delicious. Adding 2 tablespoons of salt. I am going to add into the boiling water. I'm going to add 3 garlic cloves and half an onion. This is going to help tenderize the beef. So let's go and let's add it in there. Look at this. I am going to add the onion and I'm going to add the 3 garlic cloves. And I am ready to start cleaning and getting all my veggies ready. I have my yucca. I am going to replace the yucca instead of using potatoes. And I got to take the skin off completely. Of course, you could add more or less of all the veggies I am adding. I just want to show you what veggies I am going to use. I have the carrot. I'm going to remove out the skin. The zucchini. The zucchini, I am going to add it towards the end, because as you know, the zucchini cooks very easily. I'm taking this part out of the chayote and then just cubing it just like this. Look at this. This soup really comes out so delicious and amazing. I have the celery here that I'm just going to chop away. And the yucca I am going to slice in about 2 inches thick. Look at this. And then this is ready. My corn, of course, I'm going to get all the skin, all the husk out. And I'm just going to break it in the center, clean it, and then it's ready to go. I have my tomatillos here. I'm going to remove the skin. I'm adding the tomatillos into the same pot where the meat is cooking. I have my 3 jalapeños. My 4 jalapeños. If you don't like spicy food, do not add it. But to tell you the truth, it's not going to be spicy at all. Look at this. I'm removing all that little foam on the top. And now I'm ready to show you that I have everything ready. Ready to add in when it's time to add all these amazing veggies. Okay, let's go to the stove. The first thing I'm going to add in here are my tomatillos and my chile jalapeños. I am going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they change color or they're just slightly softened. Once this happens, I'm going to remove it, put it into my blender cup, and then we're going to blend it. Let me get all my tomatillos out. Let me get my jalapeños. And now I'm adding the corn. I want the corn to really absorb the flavors of the meat. So I'm going to cover it. And I am ready to start adding all my tomatillos, my jalapeños, a bunch of cilantro, and ready to blend. Blend it for a couple minutes. We're still going to put it through a sifter. And now I am ready to sift away all those amazing tomatillos and jalapeño. This is gonna take time, but let me tell you, this beef stew is so delicious and so amazing that once you make it, you're really going to love it. It's going to come out green, just perfect. All those amazing flavors of the tomatillo, cilantro, and jalapeño. And of course, we don't want this. I'm going to remove it, and now I am ready to add my yucca. The yucca takes a long time to cook. So I am going to go ahead and just add the pieces of yucca in here. I'm going to cover it and just let it cook until it's nice and soft. Once you start checking that the meat is soft, is tender, it's almost pulling apart, this is the time when we're going to add the veggies. We're not going to add the zucchini or the cabbage. We're not going to add those two because those two cook very fast, very fast. So here I'm adding the veggies. I'm just mixing away. I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes. And after the 10 minutes, I'm going to add my cabbage and I'm going to add my zucchini. Look at this. My home smells amazing and it's nice and cold outside. So I'm really going to enjoy this caldo de res with white rice, tortillas, and of course, a little bit of onion and cilantro. A slice of lemon. Oh my gosh. I am already transporting myself. Transporting my plate. Look at this. Once this is done, turn it off. And the meat almost pulls apart from the bone. Look at this. The aroma, just amazing. I am ready to prepare my plate. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. So Cooking with Gloria continues growing. And of course, this is my plate. I'm adding a little bit of everything. And I'm going to add some broth right on the top. Look at this. Let me tell you, that bones really pulls apart from the meat. My mouth is watering and I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Look how tender the meat is. Look at the yucca. Really soft, really moist. And like I said, look. Oh my God, this just is amazing. I'll see you in a bit. My beef stew, of course, with onion, cilantro, and some white rice. And this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. The veggies are al dente. The meat is so tender, even pulls apart. Excuse me. So delicious. I hope, my friends, that you make this amazing beef stew, as I call it, caldo de res verde. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.